Alright, boom, chat, new Skippa. You know what I'm saying? Listen, chat. Even I like to know, like, yo, low key become a Skippa fan, dog. Like, bro, the playlist low key become Skippa, dog. Like, low key chat, can't even capital. So, what we here? Skippa go on with now. So, we see if this I go up on the playlist, bro. Let me see what I go on, chat. Tap in, yo, like, subscribe, post every day. You see free, bro. Tap in. Nah, cough. Mukha naman ng buhay.
Took my heart, no it hard to find it. I know my dark, so I can't go hide it. Porsche blast 360, couple B's behind it. Shoes cost 1250, Louis V design it. Cool fast, bitch, it dizzy, I'm a seat reclining. Get the money and I stop. The Benz, I'm off a burp, and it be my off fat. Me tell us if it work, and I've been a copycat. Me make it from the dirt, no me chillin'.
Oh, listen, chat. When I go hide on talk. We hear these leaks, bro. We hear them leaks up on TikTok, dog. Them they have the leaks on TikTok. I got one leaky song. If you think should I drop it? I'll start going, chat. What is like?
The top. My money for stuff coming plenty. Designer shots on my tees, offend this. If I call Miss Gwen, myself I call Miss Jenkins. Tell her hardest friends, say the beast no renting. Full of da-la-la-la-las. A bag of come mama, just a follow back, I'm on the full of da-la-la-la-las. Da-la-la-la-las, da-la-la-la-las. Send for the NSC, go there. Big gun Tennessee, I'm a phone, I'm in the light. If it bar with money, if it done. Look a boy, and I ready for the street, put it down. A bag of money, just a follow back, I'm on.
Bro, literally, like, this is literally just me. It's just so skip out. You say that, yeah, like, bro, shit just, bro, shit be hitting different, bro. Like, I don't know if it's on that. I don't know if it's on that. I don't know if it's on that.
A bag of come mama, just a follow back, I'm on the full of da-la-la-la-las. Da-la-la-la-las, da-la-la-la-las. Night time, now my skin flick it up. We kill a rich like him win cup of scratch off. We coulda buy a cup of chain, not the knock off. Me a me got it pendant, dog, till it chop off. Did I for rich, oh God, got it, you fit it, poor, pop up pill and walk down the Louis V store. Fuck a bitch, raw dog, them a show it out, send a skull a Walmart, make you send a pin code. Come on,
Bro, this is the you party, you know. Rather than a chat, but we're locked in. When have time for them to go locked in, chat, we're locked in. Believe, chat, believe, we're work.
I come from far, hungry, I think more, bro. Me drop my first car. I'm a rock now, pole, no, my granny ran dog. But she have to still proud, because it up, it turn star, and I fuck up the road. A bag of come mama, just a follow back, I'm on the full of da-la-la-la-las. Da-la-la-la-las, da-la-la-la-las.
Bankroll. It's a tough song. This boy is a tough song. Yo, this I go on a playlist, bro. Believe, believe. This I go on a playlist, bro. Skip out another hit, boy. This they don't beat that, cause man, they bleach up the shit, pam, TikTok. This everybody know both sides of that. So yeah, that. But Skipper, same thing again, boy. Yeah, I'm saying honestly, it's a bad song. Like, I'm gonna listen to it more, but like, feel like I get the inspiration from like go for this because the kind of song I go, but like kind of different. But it's check who up next.